This category rewards successful collaboration between industry and research organisations. The panel was extremely impressed with the quality of submissions. Across the board, there was really broad and deep impact in terms of the research outputs.
This particular collaboration with Oriel Marine Extracts is a really important one because it allows DCU to add significant value to what Oriel are doing in production processes. It's helped them to accelerate their growth and development, international sales, and most importantly to establish a reputation in the area that they're working in.
We began life as a sea salt business with a byproduct of what was really unique minerals, but we always knew there was something there, we just didn't fully understand it.
When I initially met Brian, he had potentially a kind of a high value product extracted from marine source, and we really kind of just did a large battery of tests on it.
Which was going to be just throw it out there and see what happens, and he sort of said if we get a hit of 20-30%, we've got something. I think we got a hit of 70 or 80%.
And really what we did then was we expanded the research into different areas, and we ended up in wound and burn care.
We took it from concept to finished product in 2 years, which was really impressive.
The TTO engaged with the company, negotiating intellectual properties, licensing and so forth, which kind of allowed me just to focus on the research.
They relayed with me and they worked with Ronan, which was a really nice way to work it, so there was no confusion going on. We were all very clear in what we were looking for.
The collaboration with companies, which is what's recognised in these awards, is hugely important, and it inspires us and academics to continue on this journey of working closely with industry.
To actually even be at this level is just, it's quite an honour to be here, and it would be quite unbelievable to actually win it, but just to be in the company that we're keeping now is quite impressive.
This collaboration started around 2011. I was the lead PI within the project, and together with the company we developed the proposal and then directed the research.
Our collaboration went very well. We reviewed various properties of Suntory owned lactobacillus strain SPT84.
The product is a probiotic that the researchers here in UCC and Teagasc helped the company to develop.
It developed a bacterial strain into a novel probiotic product for body fat reduction, and it was substantiated by a functional food claim.
My role in the collaboration was really to act as a mediator and a broker between the research team here in UCC and the company, and then also to communicate in terms of negotiating an IP agreement and a research collaboration contract.
You get to pull together a lot of researchers working in different areas, and you get to put together the best team that is needed for what it is that the company is looking for.
We operationalised the UCC part of that. The Tech Transfer Office facilitated all of our interactions with Suntory, and that was really great.
I believe this was the first case of the company collaborating with a university outside of Japan.
We learned a lot about the importance of teamwork.
This was one of the best collaborations that we've had.
The KTI Awards give recognition to the collective efforts of all of the researchers, the company and the technology transfer offices all working together to lead to a successful outcome for the project.
This collaboration, it was a partnership between Glanbia, a leading dairy processor, and UCD through Professor Kevin O'Connor to address the challenges the company were experiencing.
Glanbia Ireland generate large volumes of a low-value product called D-lactose whey permeate, which is an unusable side product of dairy processing. Glanbia Ireland recognised an opportunity to make high-value compounds out of these waste products.
A lot of dairy industries are trying to deal with these side streams. Most people are going for energy, which is low value. This is a chemical that can be used in cosmetics, can be used to make biodegradable plastics, can be used in food, so it has multiple applications.
The technology involved is a world first, and it has never been done elsewhere. And we'll use this innovative, groundbreaking technology to establish the first flagship biorefinery in Ireland.
I would have worked with the company and Kevin on the application, putting in place the IP framework and then transferring the intellectual property at the end to the company through licensing.
And the TTO, especially Stacey, she doesn't assume you know anything. She really brings you through the process, so that's hugely valuable.
I think these awards are important because they demonstrate the innovation activities of companies who address key challenges by tapping into the expertise within the university ecosystem. And I think they're important because they incentivise other companies to collaborate through seeing the successful impact of previous collaborations.